Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about share market. Share market is a place where people sell or buy their shares of company. Share means a small part of a company where people buy shares and become a small owner of company. For example, if you buy shares of company rupees 100 and after some time the price become 150, you get profit around 50 rupees. But when price falls rupees 80, you get lost your 20 rupees. For example, you can see in graph. Graph shows share market price change every day. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. When price goes up, investor can face profit. But when price goes down, investor can face losses. Conclusion is share market can grow your money, but it also has risk. People learn how to invest their money into the share market. Thank you, everyone.